How to publish a GitHub repository to the world. That is exactly what we are doing right now. I'm already signed into GitHub, so open github.com in your browser and sign in if you need to. If two-factor authentication pops up, approve it so we can get into the dashboard. Once you're in, you need the repository that holds your website files. I'm on the GitHub dashboard and I can see my repositories in the recent list on the left. If yours isn't showing there, type the repo name in the search bar at the top and open it from the results. If you don't have a repository yet, click the plus icon in the upper right, choose New Repository, name it something like My Project Site, and click Create Repository first. Now the repository is open, and I'm looking at the file list. The file that matters for a basic static site is index.html, right at the root of this repo. If you don't see that file, click Add File above the file list. In the menu that opens, choose Upload Files. That gives you a drag and drop screen. Drag your website files into the dotted area. Then click Commit Changes at the bottom. If your site is just a folder of HTML and CSS on your computer, this is the fastest way to get it into GitHub. And before you go any further, scan this file list like a public page. A .in file, a config file with an API key or access token, a private document. GitHub Pages is public, so once you turn it on, all of these files are reachable. If you spot anything sensitive, delete it now, because the publish button is not the time to remember it. Now click Settings in the tab row at the top of the repository. On a narrow window, that Settings tab hides behind a three-dot menu, so open that menu and choose Settings if you don't see it. Then in the left sidebar, expand Code and Automation if it's collapsed, and click Pages. This is the page where the repository becomes a website. On the Pages screen, find Build and Deployment. The source dropdown might already say Deploy from a branch. If it says GitHub Actions instead, that is the trap I would change right away. Open the dropdown and select Deploy from a branch. I skipped the Actions workflow here because a simple HTML site does not need a custom build. Under Branch, open the dropdown and choose Main. This is the branch your published files will be pulled from, and Main is the one you have probably been committing to. If your repo still uses Master, pick Master, then set the folder to root. That tells Pages to serve files from the top level of the repository. If your index.html is inside a docs folder, you would choose Docs, but for most simple sites it sits at root. Now click Save. When you click Save, GitHub starts building the site from Main. The first deployment can take up to 10 minutes. I'm refreshing the Pages screen after a minute, and the build notice sits right there. When it finishes, that notice switches to a live message with a Visit Site button. Go back to Settings and then Pages if you closed it, and the same box will be waiting. Once Visit Site appears, click it. Your website opens in a new browser tab. Copy the address from your browser's address bar. For a normal project repository, the address is your username.github.io, then a slash, then the repository name. That is the link you can share. Open it in a new tab and test it like a stranger. Click through each page, check that images load, links go somewhere real, and the layout doesn't fall apart. It's much easier to catch a missing image before you send the link out. Now let's make a small change so you know how updates work. Go back to the repository. Open the index.html file, click the pencil edit icon on the right side of the file, change a heading, then click Commit Changes. In the dialog, make sure it says Commit directly to the main branch because that is the branch Pages is watching. Then click Commit Changes. After a minute or two, open the live site and refresh. If the old copy still shows, do a hard refresh with Ctrl-Shift-R. That bypasses the browser cache. You don't need to revisit the Pages settings because the deploy source hasn't changed. There is one special case that trips people up. If you want a personal site rather than a project site, create a new repository named your username.github.io. That exact repo name is what GitHub uses for your user page. Inside it, put index.html at the root and follow the same settings Pages deploy from a branch flow. The resulting address becomes your username.github.io on its own rather than your username.github.io/the repo name. I like that repo for a portfolio because the link is cleaner. If this got your site live, hit the like button, subscribe for more GitHub walkthroughs, and leave a comment saying this helped. Comments are what push this video to the next person trying to publish their first repo.